Hello, welcome back. So in this video, we will post this code into the GitHub repository. So you can skip this video and we'll see you in next video for creating our custom route. Alright, so if you want to stay and see how to push it into the Git repository, then this video is for you. So open up a GitHub. Click on repositories, click on new, and select Dart server YouTube. I will make this as public, and then I'll just create it. So what I'll do is I will copy this and paste it in the terminal here and edit post. So if I do a refresh here and then I have branch. Oh, looks like it only posts the readme file. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Yeah, looks like it only posts the readme file. Let me also see. Okay, so let me also see my existing command. Then git add origin dash git add git add readme. Okay, so it was only adding a readme. So let me add everything. So git add all, git status, then we can see everything. So git commit dash yum, initial project repository, git commit dash yum, initial project repo template dart self, and then git push. Okay, so once you get a success, refresh the repo and you can see now the bin file, test file, and so this is all it, right? So we have the file needed. So that's it. See you in next video. So we have successfully set up the kit, and I will share this link in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.